I've got my first Fabfitfun box, so if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Clothing Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the first of my Fabfitfun summer boxes. I do have two accounts, so I have two customized boxes. I also got one uncustomized box, and they had a couple of specialty boxes that included, it kind of grouped together one item from each category in a theme from the summer collection. So I did get, I think, two of those. I'm going to guess this isn't at least one of those, because one of those does have something large in it. Fabfitfun is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. You can pay annually or you can pay seasonally. If you pay annually, you get to select all 6 categories. And if you do it seasonally, you get to select 4 of the categories. So there is some benefit. You also get a little bit of a discount. I do have a code down below, which will get you $10 off of your first box. It doesn't work if you subscribe as an annual member, but if you just want to try it out one time, it will work for that. Okay, so they've got a little game again, like they did for their birthday box. And here, not much of a sneak peek. Is your sneak peek? Alright, so the first thing that I am pulling out is this notebook, and I just thought this was cute because it had all these tabs in there, and the pages are different colors, and I don't know, I just thought it was real pretty. And that is by Studio. By Brogio is their Superfoods. This is a detangler. It has avocado and kiwi, and I do have a small version of this that I had gotten from Ulta as a sample and really enjoyed it. So I was excited to see this as a choice because I do use it regularly and I am almost out. So happy to have a replenishment for that. By Serum Kind is the Black Blossom Hand Serum. I have used this before and I did enjoy it. And I don't think there was a ton in this category I was super impressed with. So there it is. By Lucky Brand is this little, there's the front, wallet / wristlet. So I thought that was cute. It's got this cute little zipper here. You could put absolutely nothing in there. It's just for show. I thought it put some change in there, but I guess not. But still, oh, it's from Free People. Why did I think it was from Lucky Brand? It's vegan leather. I'm wondering if this is my uncustomized box because I don't recall ordering this. This is the Volition Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum, only because I have one that I have not yet used. All right, there is how it looks. And the last item is by Sunday Citizen, and this is a resin bath set. So here is how these look. They actually look and kind of feel like stoneware, but they are made of resin, and you've got your cup for your toothbrushes or your toothpaste or whatever you put in there, and then your soap dispenser. And I was really interested in these because I am planning to eventually, when we get around to it, paint my bathroom like a blue color and go with some gray accents. So I thought that was perfect for that. All right, so I'm not sure if this was one of my customized boxes or my uncustomized. If it was an uncustomized box, it was a great box, I'll tell you that. But I'm going to be having some duplicates also. But that's fine because I got birthdays coming up and that will work out well for me. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in there? What did you get? What do you wish you had chosen? Or whatever you want to write. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.